Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix J5Create Mini Docking Station for Nintendo Switch not working, HDMI and power fix. To fix your J5Create Mini Docking Station like the JCD624 or similar USB-C models for the Nintendo Switch, follow this exact connection sequence. Plug the switch power adapter into the dock, attach the HDMI cable to the TV, and insert the switch last. And ensure you are using the original Nintendo AC adapter, as third party chargers often lack the required power specification. Now, if your issue is still not resolved, use this checklist to identify and resolve the issue. Fix 1. Perform a hard power reset. Disconnect all the cables from the J5 Create dock, the power and HDMI, and unplug the switch from the dock and then unplug your TV's power cable as well from the wall outlet. Once done, wait for 30 seconds before plugging everything back in. This simple step resolves the majority of temporary handshake and power loop errors. Fix 2. Verify your cables and ports. Power supply. The J5 Create dock cannot send a display signal without receiving power. So make sure you are using an official Nintendo Switch power adapter plugged directly into a reliable wall outlet. HDMI connection. Securely swap and test with a different HDMI cable to ensure it isn't faulty. Input source. Double check that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input port. For example, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. Fix 3. Check for physical damage. USB-C port. Inspect the USB-C connector on both the J5 Create dock and the bottom of a Nintendo Switch. Then look for bent pins, debris, or lint inside the port. If needed, clean the port on the switch carefully with compressed air or a soft tool. Fix 4. Address third-party compatibility. Users in forum communities report mixed experiences with third-party accessories and docks. Because third-party adapters operate differently, they can sometimes have compatibility issue with Nintendo's hardware protocols. If you are certain your dock's hardware is functional, ensure your console is running the latest system software update. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.